Join me, Ara Zubaykar, for our brand new weekly show.
Welcome to London Film Club with me, Ara Zubaykar, for your weekly look ahead at movies hitting the big screen in your capital this week. Time for a teeny tiny break, but stay plastered to your seats. I think it's time we address the elephant in the room. Weena is our second film. Yeah, it is called Weena. That was said correctly. You've changed it.
I'm sorry. What did I give it before?
2. If you heard that thinking, oh, that could have been me, the answer is yes, it could have. Just enter next time. Did you figure it out or did you cheat?
No,
My hometown's Ealing, man. I think it was in Enfield.
You love the action scenes and that's why you'd go and watch it, but by this point when there has been so many and it's ended on such a high, was there a reason for it? Was it necessary? It had a certain potential and it just went... I think all our hesitation that, oh my God, what did I sign up for? Give your genuine opinion, because I'll give you mine.
We're going to fall out about this, I think. And I'm worried because I'm sat this close to
I
you.
would have given it 1.
Well, I think that's
So
so
I'll bring it down
hard.
to a 3. Yeah, I think that's fair enough.
I think you wielding too much power.
Yes, the
You've
power.
become the Maud of this show.
David loves a big sexy twist.
Oh my God, I didn't think of it sooner, but now I can't look at you the same way again. Have an evening full of fabulousness, and we shall catch you next week. Welcome to the 61st Ivan Novel Awards, presented by BASCA, the British Academy of Songwriters, Composers and Authors. The Ivors honour, celebrate and reward excellence in British and Irish songwriting and composing, and is always a guaranteed star-studded event. Well, me and this one have found the perfect vehicle for 21st century matchmaking. I'm on a mission to track down more of the hottest music stars. Jordan and Hardy, aka Rizzle Kicks, welcome to the hot desk. Now I have a habit of scribbling all over my books and getting into trouble for it. Don't look down! Yeah, we are pretty high.
And I'm very afraid of heights.
Which is funny because this was your idea.
It was. It was.
As Buzz Lightyear would say, to infinity and beyond. Love that quote.
I can't swim. They don't